Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The continued selling happens in the markets. I tell you, as I said in a market update a few days ago, I talked about that we could get a little bit of short-term bounce, but don't trade the bounce. What's happening right now? And also, there's some sort of things happening with the NASDAQ I want to share with you. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So let's get straight into today's update. Traders, I'm giving away a free trading course. Well, actually, I'm giving away my complete breakthrough trading course. I used to charge $500 for it, but I'm actually giving it away for a short period of time. Very first thing in the description, guys. Go click on that. Get access to that free trading course. Now, looking at the good old markets here, we are in a free fall. Okay, and I did a video a few days ago saying that we're probably on this update through here. I'm just like, we're probably going to get a bit of a move to the upside. Okay, we're probably going to get a bit of a short-term move to the upside, and then we're probably going to get sold through there. We didn't even get the move to the upside; it just continued to sold off, and we're breaking past these lows here very strongly. We're now getting into October, or we are now in October, and it's getting very, 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 very turbulent in the markets, and we need to be listening to the markets. If you are long these markets right now, then do yourself a favor, take your right hand out and choke yourself. Right? Do not be long this market right now. But guess what, traders? There's such a thing as a put option. You know the put options? You know the things called put options? Yeah, click buy put, right? Not buy call. Or click short sell. And so anyway, so there's a lot of stocks that are setting up right now that are going to be amazing trades for us. So we can see we're breaking through there. If we have a look at the S&P 500, look at this here. So this is the S&P 500 where we are right now, coming down, and break. Are we about to see capitulation coming in the markets? Because we're getting to that point where there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of things happening in the markets, right? And then this is where, if I bring up my longer term charts on the weekly charts, look at this here. This is my long-term weekly chart on the S&P 500, and check out this sexy beast. So we can see here, look at that there, from the bottom, 09, then around the middle of, that was middle of 2011, 12, middle of 12, 13, that was the 2016 bounce, and then we also had a bounce through there as well around the 2019. Bit of a false breakout happened on the 2020 COVID crash, and then the market's heading down. So where do you think the market's going to be heading down to at least? Right there, right? Big drop is coming in the markets. Now, we may get a little bit of a bounce. I would not be too certain about that, right? This market's in an absolute free fall. Don't fight the market. Have you guys watched Rogue Trader before? Like, the Rogue Trader? Nick Leeson, how he loses all that money and so on and so forth. Well, guess what? Well, he's like, don't fight the market, man. Don't fight the market. Do not fight the market, right? And he says, and he's just fighting the market. I think the market's crashing, and he's doing all these really risky option strategies and naked option strategies and so on and so forth. And so don't fight the market, right? Like right now, if you are long these markets, we're in a free fall, especially now getting into October. Like, oh my goodness. If there's going to be a black swan event, if there's going to be a capitulation, it's probably going to be in the next 30 days. So hold on to those horses, right? And then if you're not 100% certain about what the trade you're positioning on and the risk you're taking, guess what? Don't trade, right? Do not trade these markets. But look at this here. We're probably going to have a bit of a free fall down towards this level through here, probably around the 3,000 level. Now, if that does not hold, then we're heading all the way back down to 2,200 level. This is not a pretty picture. And same for the NASDAQ as well too. Look at this here. This is the NASDAQ. I did the exact same thing with the NASDAQ. But look at the NASDAQ. This is when it becomes scary, right? Once the NASDAQ breaks this level through here, where is the next support level? Down here. Look at this here. There's actually no support. This thing is going to drop like a rock. And I would not want to be long these markets right now. Look at this here. Support. We may get a bit of a short-term bounce and then roll over. And Oh my golly goodness. If that happens, guys, it is on like Donkey Kong, right? It is on like Donkey Kong. Movement. Big, strong movement is probably going to be coming in these markets. We're now getting into the Rocktober period in these markets, and we do not want to be fighting these markets at all. A quick little update on the fear and greed index as well too. So the fear and greed index over time, you can see we're now right there at that extreme fear. And it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking too good. And we're now getting to that extreme fear period through here. So we may get a little bit of a bounce happening there, but I would not want to be trying to trade that. And last but not least, a quick little update on the cryptocurrencies. Again, guys, cryptocurrencies are about to get demolished. And down we go. Bitcoin is probably going to have a very strong downward leg from here. Very strong downward leg. Like something like this, right? Bam, like that. Very strong move. And if we get something like that, then 10,000 is where Bitcoin is going right now. Same for Ethereum as well too. Not Ethereum, no. Neo. Once Neo breaks this $8 level through here, then the next support level for Neo is down there at 59 cents. That's the next support level for Neo. Moving for Cardano. Once Cardano breaks and we have a very strong movement down, guess what? Where's Cardano going? It's probably going to where? Going down to where? Down to where? Down to the $5 level through there. There's probably going to be a very big move happening on Cardano. And the same for Dogecoin as well too. We get a very, once again, I'm just saying, once we get the very strong downward bar, we get a very big bar like that. Where's Dogecoin? Where's Dogecoin going to get to? The next support level, once it breaks that, say, $2 level very strongly, then the next stop is at 21 cents. We are getting ready, guys, for a massive capitulation in the markets. There's going to be some strong selling that's going to come in the markets, and you need to be alert. These markets, do not try to be ego and try to trade with your ego and so on and so forth. Do not be doing that, okay? Do not try to trade with your ego. Do not be trying to like fight these markets as well too, especially with the free fall we're getting right now. If we do get a couple of day bounce out of these markets, do not be trying to trade these markets on the upside, okay? We're in a free fall right now in the markets. The Fed's still tightening. The liquidity is coming out of the markets. It's getting in October. The market's going down clearly, and we're probably going to see some very big, strong moves coming out of the markets. Now, on the flip side, there's some really good trading opportunities, really good trading opportunities that you can take advantage of when looking at these markets, right? There's plenty opportunities to benefit from this thing coming down. And if you don't know what to look for with these markets and you're not sure about that, then make sure you head on down and grab my free trading course right now. If you go to Johns, Johns, johnsfreegift.com, go over there right now. Not only am I giving you access to a free trading course, but I'm going to give you access to my next webinar. And on that next webinar, I'm going to be teaching you my #1 trading system that I trade. That I literally trade every single day. I even like the market literally just closed to me right now. And like literally half an hour ago, and I'm doing this video for you right now as the market literally just closed on Friday, of course. So I'm doing that for you right now. And on that webinar, I'm going to teach you the biggest mistakes I made. I'm going to teach you my #1 trading system, and I'm going to teach you how to find the trading systems as well too. But then not that, but then I'm going to be giving you a complete free trading course. In that free trading course, I'm going to be giving you phase #1 is about the top 30 mistakes you're making right now and how to overcome them. Phase #2 is all about the chart reading techniques, how to read the charts. Phase #3 is about advanced chart reading techniques. Phase #4 is a bit of a secret sauce through there. And phase #5 is going to deep into my trading system and how to identify really good high quality setups so you too can be on the right side of this, okay? Please listen to the markets. The trend is your friend until the end. And if the market right now, just like the cryptocurrencies, if we look at Bitcoin right now and we look at this from a weekly perspective, where is the trend? The trend is what? Clearly down. How do we know? High, lower high, and a lower high. Do not be fighting this market at all. If you're fighting this market, you're fighting it with your ego. And I'm telling you right now, do not be trading with your ego because you're going to get smacked in the face big time. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go do that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.